Hello, it's Armina, and today we are going to have another pick card reading. So today's question is why I shouldn't be upset. There are so many things in our lives that bring us down, that make us want to cry and feel depressed. But there are always some positive things, and sometimes thinking about them can help us. So let's see. I've got 3 cards here. And as you can see, there are also 3 stones, so you can choose either a stone or a card. So the first one is a moonlight pendulum. The second one is a heart, which is made of onyx. And the last one is a amethyst pendant. Please choose a card, and we will see what your message is. Okay, so let's see. For those who have picked card number 1, we have got the 9 of Cups reversed. So, if you're lonely, you may be overthinking about finding a partner, about finding the one. It's good that you want to be with someone, but sometimes overthinking becomes too bad. And you have to appreciate your life the way it is at the moment. Even if you're alone, it's not a reason to be upset, because the person that you're waiting for may be coming, and you have to enjoy your alone time. You will learn to appreciate it when you lose it. So believe me that being alone is not as bad as it seems. For those who are already in a relationship, it's either you think that the person you're with is not the one, or maybe you're not having that fun that you used to have together. Maybe you don't watch movies together anymore. Maybe you just don't have time for that. So, if you think that the person you're with is not the one, just let them go and be grateful for them for the experience that you have gained. The experience will help you determine whether the next person you'll be dating is the one or not. And you will learn to see right through the people, which traits you don't really like, and those traits were probably in that person that you're dating at the moment, or maybe you just broke up. And if you feel like your connection is not as strong as it used to be, and that you're not having a lot of fun, well, everything is in your hands, so just let your partner know that you want to spend some time with them. And I believe they will agree. So let's move to the next card. Maybe you're socializing a lot, or maybe you just have a few close friends. Nevertheless, whatever the case, they are going to help you. And I feel like they can give you an advice, or maybe just talking with them will make you feel so much better. So whatever it is you're going through in your life at the moment, just talk to your friends, because I feel like they can make it better. It will be a lot of help for you. And talking to your friends is what you need at the moment. Another interpretation that comes to me, maybe that you want to have some friends, but you can't really share your emotions and feelings with people because they are not so close to you. And if so, it's not a reason to be upset, because first of all, learn to appreciate yourself and your alone time. And secondly, I believe It's better to be alone than with some people who don't get you at all, or with some bullies, or with some people who do the bad things. So just don't stop believing. If you want to find a real friend, I think you will find him or her. And for now, just don't forget that you are an amazing person. And if other people don't see it, well, it's their problem, not yours. Okay, so the last card. I feel like you have been working a lot on something, and it seems that there were some results, but something went wrong and now you don't have anything. Maybe something was stolen from you, or maybe you don't have a lot of money now, but you need it. So don't be afraid to start it again, because last time you either succeeded or almost succeeded. So now you have the powers and the knowledge to start again. Now you're a better version of yourself. And even if you didn't manage to finish what you wanted last time, or if something went wrong, you have to remember that you can do it in a right way next time, because you have already done it once, or you have almost done it once. So there is nothing preventing you from trying again. And who knows, maybe the next time you try, it will be so much better, and you will be grateful for this failure, because, well, if you didn't fail, you wouldn't have to try again, and it wouldn't have been better. So that's it. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed the reading. If you want, you can leave a comment, because I would really like to know if it resonates with you. So, thank you for being here, and see you next time.